Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. And today I'm gonna be making flatbread pizza. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Put 2 tinfoil wrapped baking sheets into the oven and preheat to 375. Slice 2 onions into pieces. Drain 8 ounces pineapple into a bowl. Put 1/4 of the onion into the pineapple juice and then stir. Pour the rest of the onion onto a pan and add a little bit of canola oil. Then stir on medium heat. While those cook, cut 2 poblano peppers into slices. Then mince a handful of cilantro. Put the poblano slices into a small bowl. Put a little bit of pepper, salt, and olive oil into the bowl and mix until well incorporated. Dice 2 balls of mozzarella into 1/2-inch cubes. Pour the remaining pineapple onto the pan and mix. Add a little bit of canola oil and 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar and stir every 2 minutes. Add a little bit of canola oil onto 4 pieces of flatbread. When the pans are done preheating, take them out and put the flatbread on them.